Hello, Chris with Cloud Campaign, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the recommendations feature to quickly spin up content within Cloud Campaign. Let's get into it. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you've already got your workspaces and brands that you manage already set up. Connecting to Instagram is especially important for this workflow. If you haven't, check out our Help Center or Cloud Campaign Academy to learn how to get those set up. The first thing I want to show you is the recommendations feature. Recommendations help you find news, stories, and other content related to your brand that's popular and trending around the world. There's two ways to leverage recommendations: news and images. The news feature pulls articles from Google News. To hone in on the right content for your brand, enter terms into the field like you would hashtags. You can use these terms to refine the type of content that's returned. Cloud Campaign will pull popular content around those topics. Now you can browse through those topics and simply click to add those to your content library. This is a fast and easy way to curate content for your clients. We'll talk about what to do with that content in just a minute. But before that, let's check out the images recommendations feature. Toggling to images gives you two options: Pexels and Instagram. Pexels is a copyright-free stock image library. It's a great resource for pulling free, high-quality stock images for your campaigns. Again, enter terms into the field and then filter through the results. Clicking on them will add them to your content library. Now let's talk about Instagram recommendations. This is only available to you if you've connected an Instagram account. And then it's the same deal as before. Enter terms like you would hashtags and start filtering through the results. Simply click to add those pieces of content to your content library, captions and all. It's important to note that when you're curating content this way, that you give credit or get permission from the original author when using their posts. And it's also a great way to see what hashtags are being used in your marketing sphere. So now we've sent a bunch of content to the library. Let's go and edit that content so it serves our business and marketing needs. Here we can see the content we've queued up. Now I'm going to spend a few minutes going into these posts and images and reviewing them, write captions, and assign a categories and publishing criteria to them so they'll be ready to post via automatic campaign schedulers. Now I'm going to spend a few minutes going in and reviewing, editing, writing captions, assigning categories, and publishing criteria so the automatic campaign scheduler will pick them up and make my life so much easier. But more on that in another video. One tip to maximize your content's longevity is to use multiple captions per post. For example, I've got this article here that I think provides a lot of value for my audience. So I'm going to validate the article, make sure it's not behind some kind of paywall, make sure that it actually does provide that value. And then I'm also looking for any good quotes or nuggets that I might want to share. Let's try this one. So I've added a few captions to my post. Now when I go to create my schedules, this piece of content will rotate through these different captions every time it's scheduled to post. This is great for testing different messages, calls to action, or keeping your evergreen content fresh throughout your campaigns. The same process is true for any images that we source from Pexels or Instagram. Simply go into those pieces of content, add any relevant captions, assign your categories, assign any publishing criteria, hit update, and you're done. And that's how you use the recommendations feature to quickly spin up content in Cloud Campaign. We hope this helps you curate content for your brands rapidly and saves you time in your workflow. Let us know how it works for you. Shoot us a note at support@cloudcampaign.io. And don't forget that you can schedule a demo with our team and get free white labeling for your account. That's a $400 value free. Check it out now. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.